RollingStoner Route 420 has turned into a sand road. We're using a traditional paper map trying to cut cross country. We just passed through a farm gate which we had to open and close. We are loving the unexpected journey and the spur of the moment stuff. So hopefully this road connects us to a normal road, although no roads are normal in South Africa. In fact, this road looks better than most tar roads. Check you later. Oh geez, that's Cameron RollingStoner. The sand road persists. Apparently it's, or they say it's 1 hour 36 minutes shorter than the main road. The only light we have is the moon. There's not a light in sight, there's only mountains surrounding us. And we are trusting the process. Adventure 101. Hey guys, RollingStoner. We have sounds of life. We are driving next to a millie field. The moon is now on the right hand side of the road, and there's still nothing around. If I could see what I was looking at, I could tell you the tourism wonders of where we are, but I can't. Keep rolling. Hey, RollingStoners, we are traversing this unknown country. There was Nightjar on the road and he didn't move, just sat there, refused to move, like owning his stuff, you know. Oh geez, there's no signal where we are. We were having so much fun. Now we are stranded in literally the middle of nowhere. There's the moon up there. Well, we've got a fan if we need one, and now we've got to change a tyre that's got a fat gaping piece of steel sticking out of it. Yeah, check at the owl, guys. Check at the owl. Hey, hello, big guy. What's happening? How does he not know we're here?
He does. He's just stunned. He's night blind. It's cool. What?
Okay, guys, we're safe. We came across all these eyes in the night. A herd of flock of sheep hanging out with each other in the middle of nowhere. We are safe. We're one tire down, so if a puncture happens now, we're going to be stuck here the whole night. So wish us luck. Oh geez, keep rolling, whatever you do.